Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Halal Times YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic which is especially helpful for the youth of the Muslim world and for those people who are looking for a job and who want to make money and who want to work hard to get things done, to get positive results for their family, for themselves and for their countries. So let's get started. Today's topic on which we're going to discuss basically is how to make money with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a popular open source language model developed by OpenAI, and it's based on the GPT-3 model and is designed to generate human-like text. ChatGPT has the ability to understand and generate responses to a wide range of topics, including conversation, translation, and content generation. And as you know, in one of our earlier episodes, we had discussed that ChatGPT was basically introduced on November the 30th, 2020. Basically, it's been more than 1 month now that this technology was started, and millions of people, they've already signed up for this and they have started making money. So your job is basically to follow the suit and start thinking ways of how you can make money by using ChatGPT. There are several ways that ChatGPT can be used to make money. Some possibilities include creating a chatbot, providing content writing services, developing custom applications, and selling ChatGPT-powered products. Creating a ChatGPT-based chatbot is one way to make money. Basically, ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can answer customer questions, provide recommendations, and a lot more than this. In principle, they can almost act like a human being, like a customer service personnel. So these ChatGPT-based chatbots can be sold to businesses that are looking for an automated customer service solution. And another way to make money with ChatGPT is to provide content writing services. ChatGPT can be used to generate high quality original content, making it a valuable tool for content writers. Potential clients for these services could include businesses, bloggers, and content marketing agencies. And of course, basically, you could provide email marketing newsletters, services related with email marketing. You could provide sales copy, you could offer website copy, you could offer blog writing solutions, you could offer to create landing pages for your customers. The possibilities are aplenty, but the only thing is that you got to approach the customers and you got to be able to convince them that you can do things for them, you can write for them, and then once you convince them, then of course inshallah you can start making money. Another way to make money by using ChatGPT is basically developing custom applications using ChatGPT. You can create a wide range of applications including chatbots, as we mentioned earlier, language translation applications, and content generation tools. By identifying market trends and developing innovative applications that meet those trends, it's possible to create valuable products that can be sold to businesses and consumers anywhere in the world. Another way which you could use basically to make money by using ChatGPT is that you could create ChatGPT powered products and then you could sell them to other people. These products could include language translation apps, content generation tools, and other products that use ChatGPT to provide valuable services. By offering market needs, by identifying market needs and creating products that meet those needs, it's possible to create and sell valuable ChatGPT powered products. So I hope you have at least some basic idea of what are the possibilities and how you can start making money by using ChatGPT. So inshallah in the next episode we'll come up with another topic which will be helpful for you guys. So till then, Assalamu alaikum and talk to you later.